girl showing her face on camera. But yeah, Rob was very sweet enough to buy me a laptop. That man right here, if you guys don't know who Rob is, that's the hubby. That's the hubby. And he was very nice and very kind to hook your girl up with a laptop for editing. I've been saying for a long time that I want to step my YouTube game up. 2 years ago, Maddie put my vlogging camera battery in water, and I've been vlogging on my phone ever since. Vlogging and editing on my phone ever since. And because I want to be, you know, consistent, and I want to be consistent, and I also want to give you guys quality. I asked him to purchase a laptop for me, and this afternoon he went ahead and surprised me with a MacBook Pro. And he also got me a, what is this, babe? A hard drive? External hard drive. External hard drive. So all my videos can go on there. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. Just for you guys. So you guys can see what it is. I'm very appreciative of it. He didn't have to purchase it for me. Nothing is wrong with me editing on my phone, but I don't have a lot of storage on my phone, and I constantly have to delete things, and I can't do a lot of, you know, intricate shots and stuff like that because, you know, space is limited on my phone, and I also would like to use my phone for what's intended for. So we're gonna unbox that, and so let's get into that. Okay, so he got his name on there and everything, but you guys know his name. Turn that down? Yeah, just a little bit. So he ordered it from Best Buy and did an order pickup. And this is what it looks like. This is a MacBook Pro, and this is a 13-inch, I believe. And then he also did he also got this G drive USB-C for me to put my storage, yes, for all the videos, because you know videos take up a lot of space, and I'm not trying to have this thing overloaded and overworked. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, guys, so you know, we're not gonna be any professionals because, you know, so. Oh my gosh! All right, let's go for it. Oh, I did it. There's no turning back. Hey, man. There's no turning back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, we can't turn back. Okay, all right, it's off. It's off. I'm excited. Your girl is excited. It's like Christmas, but it's not Christmas.
It's like Christmas in March.
Yeah, it's not, but it's not Christmas. You guys can't really see the let me put you guys out a little bit more, so that way we can do this together. Because can you sit on my lap? Not right now. Because this is important. This is a very... Oh, the boxes. The cover is off, guys.
Oh my goodness.
The cover is off.
Mommy. You'll see.
I've been going to the gym because your girl is trying to lose, you know, weight. Look at it. This is, and he didn't even ask me what color I want either.
You had no choice. You told me already.
Oh, I had no choice. It's the only color they have?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That looks pretty.
But this is, what is this called? Space gray?
Yeah.
You know what?
Space gray. She probably wanted rose gold.
They don't have them. I don't think they have rose gold. So, This is it. Oh my gosh. I feel so legit right about now, guys. Like, I feel legit, you know. Growing up, I was a child that never had anything. Never had anything. No birthdays, no Christmas, no nothing, no gifts. No, I was just out in them streets roughing it. But look at me now, you know. Life has a way of turning itself around, and you get yourself an amazing man that takes care of you. I want to cry, but we're not going to do that, you know. Oh,
You look like you wanted to cry in Best Buy.
I did. I had to compose myself. I was like,
She was about to break down.
this man has a way of just, no, she was like, is this a gift? Is a person here?
And all she was in the back like
Oh,
you can't tell.
oh, it turned on. It turned on. It's only fair that you guys are here for this, you know. It's only fair. Oh, thank you, baby. She's sharing her Starburst with me. You know, it's not like I'm not going to the gym or anything, but it turned on. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Okay, all right. I'm gonna set this down before I drop it because okay, she's saying something. All right, so
pretty.
what's in the box? This is designed by Apple in California. I think this is just the stickers and stuff. What are these called? A brick? This is a charging brick?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm surprised they gave you a charging brick because, you know, the phones don't come with those things anymore. So I thought I was just going to get me a, you know, an empty box. Pretty soon, you're just going to get all the pieces together. You're going to have to put it together. And then it comes with this little thing. And I think that's it. So, yeah, that's it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This thing looks so and feels so fancy for me. I feel like I'm going to break it, guys.
Don't jinx yourself, Mother.
This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to use it. I don't know how to use this. This is so beautiful. I'm probably gonna have to get a case for it. So I'm gonna set that right there. And none of these little kiddos can't touch it because. Oh my gosh, Destiny had to do that. All right, so this is the G Drive USB-C, stylish, high capacity, reliable storage, elegant, grande. That's not my language, so let's not do that. So let's open this, even though you guys are probably like, boring. We don't want to look at that, but oh, my cough is going away, guys, because I have this cough, or I've had this cough for a little while. My girlfriend's supposed to be bringing me something I can take for it, but I haven't coughed today. I think I coughed like 4 times. And the funny thing is, I had this cough when I was pregnant with Maddie, so hopefully I'm not pregnant. Not hopefully, I'm not pregnant. Let's not do that. But I had that cough when I was pregnant. Oh, thank you, baby. So good. Thank you. Oh, God. I hate when she force feed me. I hate when she force feed me candy. Because I'm not supposed to be eating sugar. Period. Sugar is not good for you, girl. Because I'm not trying to have diabetes when I'm old. Why is this so hard?
Get a knife.
I know, but, and the funny thing is, the knives are right here. That's what happens when you unbox things in your kitchen. Watch your fingers, baby. So, how you guys been doing lately? I missed you guys. I can't wait to come back and bring you guys like quality videos. My camera battery's coming on Monday for my vlogging camera because I do have the Canon G7X, and that thing is very nice. It's old, but it's still a good camera, and it used to spit out like really good, you know. But this is what this looks like, you know, very boring, nothing, you know, fantastic. It's 4 terabyte.
Huge. It's a huge.
150 MB is whatever. I don't know. I'm not a tech person. And then, you know, I have my microphone that my husband gifted me about 2 years ago. This man stayed hooking me up for whatever reason. He stayed hooking me up because I do have my microphone that I plan to, because he loves me and I'm his wife. I don't know why I say that, but I'm the one to always downplay my, you know, my importance in his life because, you know, it's just stuff I have to work on. But, so I'm set now. Like I am good. I have my camera, I have my laptop, I have my storage, I have my microphone, and there's no reason for me not to, you know, spit out these videos and be great. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting your girl. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and, you know, through the good and the bad times. And yeah, I appreciate every single last one of you. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.